Just look at that. Beautiful glasses. Bose Frames Tempo. Water resistant. What else do we have on these? 8.8 hours of battery life, and that's pretty awesome. That's an upgrade from before, when you could do like 3 to 5 hours. Now you can do 8.8 hours, which is pretty much the whole day. I've had this for about a day and they have been amazing. And another good thing is that these are detachable, so you can actually take off the lenses, change them for prescription ones or a different color if you like, polarized as well. And the beautiful thing about these is they don't come with proprietary like cable or anything like else like that, but now they come with USB-C. So the charging port for these is just on there, just next to the power button, and with that same power button you can press it once to pause or press it twice to skip. These are pretty good, sturdy, like they don't look like they'll break easy, and they're made for sports. So out of all the models that these guys have, I'll probably pick the Tempo over any other model because one, because it's water resistant, two, it's got 8 hours of battery life, three, USB-C, and then they come with this nice cool case which you can use to carry it around. How nice is that? And right out of the box, I'll just show you the box. So this is the box that they come in. So you got your Frames Tempo style, eh? So right out of the box they come out, you've got that, the carry case, USB cable, and some instructions there. Setup is pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Use the Bose app and you can get to it. It's pretty nice and self-explanatory. Now, I really haven't tried to take off the lenses yet, but I'm told it's very easy to take these off. So that the lenses themselves will set you back about $20 maybe, and then the glasses themselves will set you back about 250 bucks. So these are pretty good for if you're riding, or if you want to keep aware of your surroundings. You don't want to drown out everything, noise cancel and all that. So these will do the job. Now I'm saying these do not replace your headphones, which that is a different thing. They do not replace these. They do not replace these, but this is a whole new category of products. And I know we've got the Apple headphones coming out in a few weeks. That is a different thing as well. So Bose have gone ahead of Apple and have come up with these glasses. This is the second generation of these. I saw these when they first came out. Wasn't too happy about the battery life, but now it's pretty good. The audio is pretty nice and crisp. You've got 22mm drivers on both sides. So you got your speakers there at the bottom and your speakers at the top as well. Really nice sound. Now you're not going to get amazing bass or anything else like that, but the music is good. It's more like a soundtrack. It sounds really, really nice. And it'll be good for people who do cycling, or if you play golf, or if you're just out for a walk, walking the dog. You just want to keep interacting with the people around you. And then if you're making phone calls, the microphone is really great. Still to put it to test on noisy crowds, but knowing Bose, they've done a good job. I've had a lot of their products, and I'd say by far this is something that you need to get yourself in your technology gear that you have. You got AirPods, you've got Bluetooth speakers, you've got headphones. Now you need Sunnies that got speakers on them. You never know. These are water resistant, so go to the beach, in the water, you can have your music going. It's pretty good, eh? And then you're still aware of your surroundings. So these have been really good. I really love having these on. So I highly recommend you grab yourself a pair of these. So treat yourself this Christmas. I reckon Bose is ahead of the competition now. Apple will probably come out with something similar in a few years, but this is nice, really nice, really, really nice. If you don't mind the big shape here, it's gonna do well. I mean, for the price, I mean, for a decent pair of sunnies, you pay about $100. So you just add another 150 or $100, and then you got sunnies with speakers and sunnies that have interchangeable lenses. So when we're talking about interchangeable lenses, you can actually put prescription lenses on these things. So you can find third-party prescription companies, and then they can match your prescription and you can have them on there. If this is not your style, you can try the Alto model, or if those will like, can take the Rondo one. But this by far is the best value for money. USB charging, water resistant, and did I mention mine has 3 years warranty on it? So if I break it or if anything happens, 3 years warranty. So they are pretty good. Connectivity is pretty good. I use Spotify, so these will really do well with that as well. So do yourself a favor and just add these on to your gear. You never know when you will need to put these on. Alright guys, that's it for today. That's just something that I bought that I thought I could share with you guys that I really love. It's just on that edge, like when we started, the Apple AirPods were like that. Everyone didn't want to have them first, but then now we all have AirPods and we all have Apple Watches, and I reckon if you get in early, you get used to having these around and you come to love them. I've come to love them. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Till next time, cheers.